Okay, hello. So today I'm going to talk to you about the Klipsch R41PM and Klipsch R51PM, and we're going to look at the specifications, the differences, and a little sound demo. They have a built-in DAC for you can plug it in straight with USB, or you can have it with the optical. That's a that's the input for jack input 3.5. You can switch between the line in and phono for turntables, and that's a phono cable there input. Also got the sub out, which is very handy if you want the extra bass, which I like anyway. You've got the volume knob, and the you can switch it on by pressing that's the power button. Press it in, and you can change the input by doing the same. There's that's a ground terminal. That's the speaker out to the other speaker, and power in. So it's exactly the same thing for the 51. This is the 41, but it's exactly the same inputs and outputs. Obviously the power is different. So I'm just going to show you the difference in size from the back. Make sure I don't drop these. Quite heavy. Well, both of them. So that's the 41. From the back, and this is the 51, obviously much bigger from the back. Yeah. So I'm going to switch the dynamic EQ on and off so you can hear the difference. I'm going to put a thumbs up when it's on, and thumbs down when I've just turned it off. It's off. It's on. So, apparently you have to put the volume of what you're playing with the highest, and obviously because it kicks in when it's at low volume, so I'm going to reduce the volume, see if you can hear it better. So now it's on. Now it's off. Now it's on. Now it's off. So basically I can hear it. I can hear the difference. It's very, very clear. I can hear that the bass is kicked in, but obviously you can hear it when the volume is low, not when it's really high. It's a nice touch by Klipsch, but because I've got a subwoofer output, I don't need it at all. I really want to hear the highs on these speakers and the bass on the subs. So now I'm gonna play gonna play the same song, and on the speakers I'm gonna switch between the 41s and the 51s, so you can hear the difference. They both have the dynamic equalizer on. It did sound very good actually, especially when I put this is the first time I actually put both of them, the 41s and 51s, playing the music at the same time. Wow, it does sound very good. I actually thought at a second that I'm gonna keep both of them, but that's greedy. So right, I'm gonna play a song, and I'm gonna point out which speaker he's playing. So yeah, it does sound very good when both of them are playing at the same time, but as you can see, well, the volume from the computer hasn't changed. The volume on both speakers I set exactly the same. So how I did it, I started from not, and I started going with the volume of both of them at the same time with the same remote, so they're going gradually up at the same time. So that will show you which one is actually louder. Obviously the 51 is double the power, and that's what it is. So that's it. Thank you.